And today we have an awesome RC car by Hosim. Let's take a closer look at it and see exactly what you're going to get, and then we're going to test this thing out, and it's got a special feature that we're going to get to in just a moment. Here it is right here, the little Hosim. You can see it's got this big brush motor with a cooling fan with a giant heat sink on it to keep that motor running cool, extending the life of it. You also have your receiver right here. You do have to put on the spoiler, and you do have to put on the wheelie bar, and you have to put on the roll bars on the bodies. And check that out, you not get one, but two bodies. You get this nice lime green, gray, and black, and you get the baby blue, lime green, and black. So coming back to the car here, the special feature that I was telling you about is this right here. This has a built-in GPS module. That's right, you download an app and you can keep track of your battery voltage, all the telemetry from the car, how fast it's going, where it's been. It even shows you on Google Maps where the car is. We're going to look at that too as well. You get the controller, you get a phone mount that mounts onto the controller. You're going to get this super cool manual. You're going to have extra wheel nuts. You're going to get a tool set with a Phillips screwdriver, a wheel wrench, and a cleaning brush. You're going to get extra body clips, 2 batteries, and a bag for storing everything. So how cool is that? Now you can tell that this has really nice oil-filled shocks in it. It's got air-filled tires. It has steel CV joints. It has steel dog bones. It has a steel drive shaft connecting the metal gears in the front to the metal gears in the back. You even have a headlight that you can turn off and on as well. And that's pretty cool. I mean, look how shiny and heavy duty this steel is in this thing. You're going to get a lot of use out of this. It's going to be extremely tough. It does have the really durable pan style chassis, even with the honeycomb for strength on the inside. And look how clean this thing looks on the bottom. And this car has been ran. This isn't brand new. You can see a few scratches on the bottom. What we need to do is we're going to slap a battery in this. We're going to pull the app up. We're going to see how fast it goes. And we're going to bash it a little bit and even jump it off the roof of the house. See how tough it is. So let's do it. All right, so here we are. You can hear the cooling fan running on this car. It's cooling off and ready to go. We're definitely going to be testing out this wheelie bar. But here is the app. You can see how this connects on your phone. That's way while you're driving. You can see it. It's going to show you your steering. As I turn it, you can see the little indicators. It's going to show you your speed. It tells you your battery or your fuel level, so when your battery gets low, you know to come back. And it also has other options. This is where you set up all your stuff. It does connect with Bluetooth. This is where you get your stats, how far you've driven, how fast you've gone, what your historical max speed was. So we're going to come back and check all that out. And you can also, let me find it, hit the little stopwatch up here, and it'll give you your time, your distance, your average speed, and your max speed. So how cool is that? All right, so all we have to do now is test this thing out. Let's see what we can do. See if we can test out that wheelie bar. Oh yeah, she can pull the wheels. This thing's zippy. This thing's really zippy for a brush. Oh, watch out for trash day. Wipe out. Never said I was a good driver. I just said I was a driver. All right, let's try to do some top speed runs here. I'm seeing about 20 miles an hour according to the app. All right, let's do a little bashing and trashing. All right. As you can see, it handles grass and super thick grass with no problem. I mean, it is 4-wheel drive. No quitting this one. Let's go ahead before I get the battery too low. We're gonna do our super cool durability test. we made it. Sometimes it takes several tries to get a car up there, especially when you're throwing it. Oh, oh. All right, let's see. That was a nice little tumble wumble, as they say, on the wheels, and no problem. This thing has a ton of torque. I mean, it's on the grass and it pulls wheelies. Ready? I'll show you. And you also have this as well. There's actually a function button on the remote. And you can hit it and turn the headlight on and off. How cool is that? Let's turn it on. Do a little more driving. See if we can get a backflip. Nope. Got a front flip. Gotta like an RC car that likes its wheels. And there you have it. The little Hosim with GPS. It's got a big, huge brush motor. You get tons of torque, tons of performance. Super tough, can ramp it off the roof, no problems whatsoever. Has a working headlight that you can turn off and on with the controller. All steel gears, all steel shafts, oil-filled shocks. What more could you ask for? I hope this video helps, and thanks for watching.